Hey guys, what's up? So it's been a while since I've done one of these, but I want to do an underwear review by Separatec, of course. Separatec has been hands down my favorite underwear that I've tried so far post-phalloplasty, and I've also heard that they're good for packing. If you guys are wondering, I've been asked that question, which personally I didn't pack with Separatec. I only packed for a bodybuilding competition. It just wasn't comfortable for me, but from what I've heard, they do well packing. So anyways, I'm going to try out this new version. I think it's like the Modal, micro Modal. So like the material is super soft. I've already worn 2 of these that are in these boxes because they're super awesome and comfy, and I also don't like doing laundry. So, alright, so I'm gonna take it out of this little box here. Oh, I always have issues with this. I forgot. So I'm just gonna show you the catalog. So Separatec, and then they tell you a little story about how they keep their stuff in place, and then they give you a little story about Jimmy and the Oddball. And it gives you a little story about, you know, your goods and your junk, and it's just kind of the cutest thing. Who wouldn't want to buy underwear that just makes your package cute? So, when I get these out, okay, haha, they come in these cute little boxes. I can already hear people telling me how gay I am, and I don't care. Okay, the way that I feel the material, someone literally told me that I was feminine by the way that I felt the material. So, you gotta love those poor souls who actually pay attention to such small detail. Pretty sure that is weird. So here's the underwear. These are a size small. They are super soft. They come in different colors, I think, so this is only like one of many. But I'm gonna try these on right now, and I'll kind of give you a look into what they look like. Hopefully they are not too see-through, being as they are a light color. Here goes nothing. Alright, hopefully you can see this okay. So here's the micro Modal underwear. Super soft, it doesn't ride up. I feel like basically like I'm naked, except for I'm not. It's got the separate pouch and easy access pee, so that it's really easy to just go to urinal, pee. You don't have to like pull the waistband of your underwear down or anything. It's just one solid movement. I could, like, it has a good amount of support. I could probably run in these, and super good for summer, I would say, because they breathe, and it feels like they'd be like moisture wicking. So I would give these like 10 out of 10, and I'm not taking these off anytime soon. Alright, so that was a pretty quick review. Normally I'll do like a few different underwear, but I really just have not separated from Separatec. I have been wearing them like every day since I found them as my favorite, and they are having a sale from the 19th through the 26th. I'll put the link down below, and there's a special code that you're gonna need though. So the code I will also write down below, but it is STJUNESALE. So if you use that code for these underwear, you get a % off. I'm not sure how much, but it's a sale. So use that code and get yourself a pair of these underwear. Let me know what you think, or let me know what your favorite underwear is down below, or if you've tried Separatec, that sort of thing. And I want to be completely transparent in this video and let you know that yes, I did get sent these underwear for free, but I'm not getting paid or anything, and I will be 100% honest with anything that I'm ever sent for free, because if it's not good, why would I want to promote it? It's just not something that I would do. I literally, like, 1 second here, these are all Separatec underwear I just pulled out of my drawer. Like, literally, I don't wear anything else. So the only reason I'm biased is because I love them. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. Hopefully you enjoyed that review, and use that code, buy some underwear, and let me know what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Peace out, and I'll see you next time.